For years electric cars seemed out of reach luxury toys for the wealthy, but that's changing fast. Battery tech has matured, prices are dropping, and automakers are finally making EVs for everyone. 2025 marks a turning point. Affordable, practical, and tech-packed electric cars are hitting the market. Today, we're breaking down the best budget-friendly EVs you can buy, perfect for daily commutes and city life. We'll cover specs, design, and what makes each one stand out. This is your guide to affordable electric driving. Let's dive in. First up, the 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EV, North America's benchmark for affordable electric cars. The Bolt delivers over 250 miles of range, making it practical for daily and weekly driving without range anxiety. DC fast charging gets you back on the road quickly, and home charging is simple. No proprietary plugs, just plug and go. Safety isn't sacrificed. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and forward collision alerts come standard. Inside, it's functional and spacious for a compact with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The battery tech is proven and reliable, giving peace of mind for long-term ownership. When you add up the range, safety, and price, the Bolt is a no-nonsense EV that just works. It's the go-to choice for anyone wanting to go electric without the drama. Solid, practical, and affordable. This is what a budget EV should be. The Bolt proves you don't need to compromise to drive electric. It's a complete package for everyday drivers. If you want a dependable, accessible EV, the Bolt is tough to beat. That's why it's still a leader in the affordable EV space. Now, let's head to Europe for the Dacia Spring Electric, the ultimate no-frills city EV. The Spring is one of the cheapest new electric cars you can buy, built for pure urban efficiency. Its compact, lightweight design makes parking and city driving effortless. With about 140 miles of range, it's perfect for daily commutes and errands. Charging is simple. Just plug into a wall outlet overnight, no fancy setup needed. Inside, it's basic but practical. 4 seats, decent trunk space, and essential features. No luxury, just utility. Exactly what city drivers need. The Spring isn't for road trips, but for millions in urban areas, it's a game changer. It democratizes electric mobility, offering a new EV for the price of a used gas car. Simple, reliable, and ultra-affordable. The Spring is the EV for the rest of us. It's proof that electric cars can be truly accessible. For city dwellers, it's a revolution on wheels. Dacia Spring electric driving stripped to the essentials. Next, meet the BYD Dolphin, a budget EV that feels anything but basic. BYD's Blade battery tech means top-tier safety and longevity, setting the Dolphin apart. It's zippy, fun to drive, and offers both standard and long-range options. The design is modern and playful with a spacious, tech-forward interior. The rotating touchscreen and quality materials make it feel premium. Features like a panoramic sunroof and advanced driver assistance are available, rare at this price. BYD's global reach means the Dolphin is tailored for markets worldwide. It's not just affordable, it's packed with value and innovation. The Dolphin redefines expectations for budget EVs. You get style, performance, and tech without the high price. Affordable no longer means boring. The Dolphin proves budget EVs can be exciting. It's a glimpse of the future, fun, smart, and accessible. Now to India, where the Tata Tiago EV is making electric cars mainstream. Designed for Indian cities, it's compact, easy to park, and handles rough roads with ease. 2 battery options let buyers pick the range and price that fit their needs. Features like automatic climate control and a touchscreen come standard, impressive for the price. Safety is a priority, with a strong platform and essential features included. Charging is flexible. Use a home socket or DC fast charger for quick top-ups. The Tiago EV is more than a car, it's a symbol of India's electric future. Tata's smart engineering makes EVs truly accessible for millions. It's practical, affordable, and built for real-world conditions. For many, it's the first step into clean, green driving. The Tiago EV proves electric cars can be both aspirational and attainable. It's a homegrown solution to a global challenge. India's electric revolution starts here. Let's look ahead with the Volkswagen ID.2 a concept aiming to bring the people's car into the electric era. VW is targeting a price under €25,000, making quality EVs accessible to millions. The ID.2 all promises golf-like space at Polo-like prices, thanks to clever design. Expected range, up to 280 miles with fast charging from 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. The interior is user-friendly, with physical controls and a clean layout, responding to what drivers actually want. Production is set for 2025, and VW says the showroom model will closely match the concept. This isn't a distant dream, it's a concrete plan backed by major investment. The ID.2 all could set a new benchmark for affordable high-quality EVs. It's about democratizing electric technology without sacrificing range or comfort. If VW delivers, this could be the new Golf for the electric age. Premium performance, budget price, that's the promise. The ID.2 all is a bold step toward making EVs truly mainstream. Watch this space. So why do budget EVs matter so much? It's not just about cheaper cars, it's about making electric mobility mainstream. EVs cut fuel costs dramatically. Charging at home is far cheaper than gas. Maintenance is simpler and cheaper, no oil changes, fewer moving parts. For city driving, EVs are perfect, efficient, quiet, and great in stop-and-go traffic. They reduce noise and air pollution, making cities cleaner and healthier. As grids get greener, EVs become even more sustainable. More budget EVs mean more public chargers and easier access for everyone. The barrier to entry is dropping, on price and convenience. Budget EVs make financial and environmental sense. They're designed for how most of us actually drive. This isn't a niche anymore. It's the future of transportation. Affordable EVs are changing the world, one driveway at a time. The future of budget EVs is even brighter. Expect longer ranges, 300 miles or more as battery tech improves. Battery leasing and swapping could lower upfront costs and ease worries about degradation. More competition means better features and lower prices for everyone. Charging will get simpler, with universal plugs and seamless networks. Even affordable EVs will get smarter over-the-air updates, connected features, and smart navigation. Your car will improve long after you buy it. Integration with smart homes and devices will be standard. The market will be crowded with legacy brands and new startups pushing innovation. Clean, efficient, intelligent transportation will be the norm, not the exception. The pace of change is relentless. Soon, affordable EVs will be everywhere and smarter than ever. The electric future is coming fast. The electric car is no longer a luxury, it's for everyone. From the Chevy Bolt to the Dacia Spring, BYD Dolphin, Tata Tiago EV and VW ID.2, there's a budget EV for every need. These cars prove clean, sustainable driving is finally accessible. Lower prices, incentives, and savings on fuel and maintenance make the choice easy. The electric revolution is here and it's affordable. Which budget EV would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon. Safer, lighter, and capable of 500-plus mile ranges with ultra-fast charging. Self-healing paint and body panels could keep cars looking new, reducing repair costs. Advanced autonomy is coming, with sensor suites like Volvo's paving the way for hands-off driving. Solar integration may soon add free miles just by parking in the sun. The business model is changing too. Software-defined vehicles will let you upgrade features via subscription or app store. Want more power or new driver assist features? Just download them. SUVs are evolving into dynamic, upgradable ecosystems, power stations, offices, and digital platforms. The next wave isn't just about better cars, it's about reimagining what a car can be. The pace of innovation is only accelerating. The electric SUV is becoming a central part of your connected life. The future is about flexibility, intelligence, and constant improvement. We're only scratching the surface of what's possible. The road ahead is electric and full of surprises. From the performance of Tesla to BMW's luxury, Mustang's spirit, Volvo's safety, and Hyundai's vision, the 2025 electric SUV market is more exciting than ever. There's an EV for every lifestyle, whether you want speed, comfort, family space, or cutting-edge tech. These aren't just eco-friendly alternatives. They're often the best cars in their class. Which one would you choose for your electric future? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more electrifying content.